finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new, new me, who you? Still kid, finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new, new me,
hey, yo,
who you?
welcome to my show.
Another sky, mean the blessing coming.
What's up, y'all? It's Izaiel. I'm back with another reaction, y'all. Y'all know I'm back to do some more reactions. It's New Music Friday, y'all. And y'all know I am a Chloe and a Halle fan. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I'm a Chloe head. You know what I'm saying? You know, I'll be in pieces. You know what I'm saying? And, you know, I'm seeing to see what this angel about to do for us. You know what I'm saying? Y'all know I love their voices. I love them sync together. They're great as a duo, but they have been doing great solo, too. So I'm excited to see Halle as a solo artist. So here we go. Angel by Halle. Let's go. This is her first time, you know, musically of her own sound. You know what I'm saying? But I kind of already feel like I already know the sound she's going to go for because their voices are too different. Girl, you better sing. You know she not to be in some water. Let's go. So you know, since she was a Little Mermaid, she has to stick to a certain sound and a certain look. She can't go too fast like her sister. You know what I'm saying? She has to go through something that continues to keep the fans that she has, so she can make sure she make money. Because them little kids is gonna be the one that's gonna get her money. You know what I'm saying? Let's go. Come on, Harry. Come on, Harry. Come on, Harry. Come on, Harry. Beautiful, beautiful video. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, that was cute. I like that. That was good. That was very good message to our black queens that need it. You know what I'm saying? Because every black queen needs to know that they're an angel because they are. They're special. You are blessed. You are beautiful. And always remember that. Don't ever let nobody tell you different. But I love that she's supporting that and pushing that. Okay. embrace that beauty, embrace those curls, embrace those coils, embrace those, whatever you got, them spirals. You probably got a little nap, you know what I'm saying? Some people got a little kitchen, you know what I'm saying? Embrace it, you know what I'm saying? Just put a little comb in it, you know what I'm saying? I'm playing, y'all. But y'all, I liked it. It was good, y'all. Make sure y'all like, subscribe, share, and tell me what y'all think down below about the video. Did y'all like it? Is this what y'all thought was going to be from Halle? Or would y'all thought she was going to be a little different? I kind of figured it was going to be like this because she just did Little Mermaid. She ain't about to come out there with like, boom, boom, boom. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? Her sister can do that while she do the good girl. That's what they did it. We already knew that's what it's going to do. Chloe's going to have to be the good girl. You know what I'm saying? You know what I mean? Halle has to be the good girl because Chloe's going to be the whoop, 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 pop, 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 pop. Let's go, y'all. It's Izaiel. I'm out. Thank you for like, subscribe, share, and comment, y'all. Tell me what y'all think. I'm out. Bye.
Kid finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new. New me, who you? Still kid finally left the stoop. Got to know myself and realized on the truth. Walked outside with a brand new dude. Man, I'm feeling brand new. New me, who you? Another scar mean the blessing coming, baby. Yeah, another scar mean the blessing coming, baby. 1, 2, blessings on my shoes. 3